In this Worriorplus affiliate marketing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can promote Worriorplus products for free. So if you don't have the budget to spend money on Facebook ads or Google ads, but you still want to promote a product and earn some commissions, this is going to be a great video for you because I'm going to break down my process for promoting my offers for free. Let's get started. Alright, so here I am on Worriorplus. So you simply want to go to Worriorplus as well. Let me go to the actual offers. So let's go to affiliate and then click on offers. And I'll see that entire list of beautiful products that I can start promoting and earn a commission. Step number one is, of course, finding a product that you would like to promote. So what you can do is simply scroll down through this list, make sure to pay attention to all of these stats on here so that you can actually find a good product. But once you've done that, let me do that right now. Let me go with this one, Buildsy. Seems to have some decent stats. What you can do is simply go to the product page, so the vendor page. So on here, let's go to products and we can then see how much money we can make. So per sale for the standard version, we're going to earn $15, all right? So you simply want to check out the commissions, and once you found a product, you want to get that link. Now you guys know that on Worriorplus, you need to request approval. You cannot just get a link right away like on ClickBank. So what you need to do is click right there, request approval. Once you have your own link, guys, you can start promoting it, right? You don't want to spam links all on social media. You want to provide value and make sure that it makes sense for people to buy that product. And that's what I'm going to explain right now. So first of all, you want to find out what your product is about. So Buildsy is a WordPress plugin that allows you to build money-making sites by curating videos and news from popular video platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and hundreds of news sources. So this specific product right here is going to help people build a money-making website on WordPress, a news website. Now, first of all, step number one, find out what it is that your product will do for the audience. Find out what it is that is going to help them out. In this case, it's going to help them out make money online by curating websites. So what I then do is I go to YouTube. Let me get rid of this. You want to go to YouTube as well. And guys, please don't click away right away when I say that you're going to use YouTube. Trust me, you don't have to be on camera. I'm also going to show you how you can even do this without doing the actual work. So what you need to do is simply find keywords that people search for that line up with the product. So you want to find a buyer intent keyword that's going to help them out. In this case, that could be how to make money with a WordPress automatic. You can see it right there already showing up with a WordPress automatic news blog. So there are people searching for this specific keyword phrase, and this specific product is going to solve that problem. So the problem that people have that search for this phrase is making money by doing this method. They're not sure how to do it, but this product is going to solve that issue. So you want to find a buyer intent keyword, and then you want to find a product that's going to solve that problem. So this is a great example because we've got how to make money with a WordPress automatic news blog, and then we've got this product that's going to do exactly that. So that's what you want to do first. Find a buyer intent keyword and a product that's going to solve that issue. Next up, you need to actually promote it. You don't want to spend money on Facebook ads or Google ads. So what you're going to do, and what I recommend doing, is downloading a software called OBS Studio. So this is a software that's going to help you and allow you to record your screen and audio as well. As you guys can see, it's recording my audio here as well, which is great. So what you can do is that you can download the software called OBS Studio, and you can then create simple recordings of your screen. So you can do a tutorial video explaining how they can make money. So you're pretty much going to explain the keyword that you're going for. So in this case, that's going to be how to make money with a WordPress automatic news blog. So you simply press record on OBS Studio, and what you can then do is go to the sales page of a product, just like that. It's going to open the sales page, and you can then pretty much start talking about the benefits of a specific product. In this case, this is going to help them make money with a news website. So what you would do is simply turn on the recording just like I'm doing right now, and you start talking about how they can do this. So what I recommend doing, and there are a few different ways you can do it. What I recommend doing is first providing value, like this guy, he's showing how it works. So this is a great example. And then after that, you're going to pitch the actual product It's gonna help them out do it even faster or better. I'm not sure why this is not working anymore. Let's go back. But that's the main thing you want to do. So the way this works is that you can create simple YouTube videos, simple tutorial videos where you record your screen, just like all of these guys are doing. You provide value by explaining how it works, like this guy, as you can see. So you provide value, and then at the end of the video, what you can do is start talking about this product. You would go to the sales page. You don't even need to buy this product. I do recommend it if you have the budget, but this is a method that you can do for free, right? So you don't have to buy the actual product. You simply start explaining how it works and all of the benefits that come with that specific product, so that people know what they can actually do with it, and so that they know that they're able to create a money generating news automatic news blog website. That's the main issue that we're trying to solve here. And you don't have to do that with this specific product. Once again, I'm not sure why it's not working once I click on no thank you. You can do this with any product. So the main method here is finding a keyword, a buyer intent keyword. So there's an issue, and you then jump in, provide value, and then also come up with a product at the end of each video. You'll leave a link in the description down below. Let's see if one of these guys are actually doing that. This guy right there does have an actual link. You can see make money online and then /affiliates. So this is indeed an affiliate link. And then right there, this is a perfect example. Let me show you guys this one. So how to make a news website with WordPress for AdSense. What this guy is doing is that he's creating a simple video. Let me see. There we go. So he's kind of creating a sales video, and then right there you can see a link. Let me open that link actually. Let's see if it's the same product, because that would be great. That would honestly be the best example. Alright, it's not the same product, but it makes sense, right? This guy is doing exactly what I'm trying to teach here. So he's creating a video showing you how to do a certain thing. He then jumps in and leaves, he creates the video, provides value, and then leaves a link, an affiliate link in the description down below to a product. You can see it's Worriorplus 2. Every single time someone buys that, you're going to earn some commissions. And that's what I do myself as well. And one of the best ways to do this for free. So what do you need for this? Number 1, a product. Number 2, OBS Studio. Number 3, start recording, create a video. And guys, trust me, the first time that you are going to do this, it's not going to work right away. You have to kind of become good at making these videos. So what I recommend doing is watching videos about how you can grow on YouTube. It's pretty simple. Just watch one video about YouTube SEO and you'll get an understanding of how it works. YouTube SEO is not that difficult. It's not as complicated as on Google. But what you can do is simply get going, start making videos, just like these guys are doing. You're just going to create a ton of videos about a ton of different products. You can see he just keeps posting about different products, and it doesn't matter because people are finding it through YouTube search. So he's still providing value. He doesn't become a sellout. So that's what I recommend doing if you want to promote this for free. If this simple video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.